Right, back again. So I've given everything a good oiling on the cam, the oil galleries as well, the chain. I'm going to put a little drop more onto the valve stems. Just a squirt in there. Okay, so everything's oiled. I've oiled these as well, and these shafts in the rocker lid. So I've got some sealant on. Got the cap that goes on the end. I'll just place that into there. Okay, is that definitely a camera shot? Not quite. Into there. Okay, I use a syringe and some black high temperature sealant, preferably black. I've seen these done with caked on, like they were making a cake. I have fit them before with no sealant on, but I do get a little bit of oil on my other bike that shows. So right, so that's everything done now. I've oiled the chain as well, and I've set the timing back to top dead centre. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lift up these valve adjustment, these called the tappets, and then the dowels are in ready. Can be a bit awkward to get these up actually. And I'm going to just drop the cylinder head on, the rocker cover should I say, and then hopefully everything will go according to plan. That's the dowels that I can feel resistance on. There we go. Okay, so get a couple of bolts into all this first. Oops. Just because they can spring up these. I'll just get that 10mm in there. Right, that'll hold that. Got the second one, the second 10mm bolt. These coincidentally have a seal in the washer. You can see that. I've never put any sealant on the mating face at the top of these. So I'll get them, if you remember I did this strip down, there was 8 10mm bolts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hopefully we will have what size socket is that? Is that an 8mm? I believe that's an 8. And we'll tighten these in a crisscross pattern as well. We'll just nip them all down first. I'll just come off there. Are these 8s or 10? Oh, 10, sorry. My mistake. Yeah, good. Right, they're all nipped down. Take those down as well. I'll nip these up at about 5 to 7, I think. So okay, and we'll go crisscross again. And these on now. These two side ones. Let's just come back into shot slightly. Right. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, number 8. Then just check middle 2. Yeah. Yep. So that's all the head bolts on. There went that was my syringe. That's the syringe I used, coincidentally. Use once and throw it away. So I'll just show you what happened on the side now. When we put the cap into here on the head, I didn't put a lot in, but it splodges all over, so we'll just give that a nice neat wipe off. Okay, can't see any more around the gasket. I've seen these, like it looked like a what was it, volcano exploding, and they use that much sealant. You don't need that much, you just need a very, very small amount. I'll just stop any oil egress later on. So right, that's that done. So I'll get that turned back round. Check my timing mark's still there. Yeah, that's good. So that should be ready for my inlet and outlet valve. I'll just pop the screwdriver in the hole. See alignment, top dead. It should be about there somewhere. If I look on the side now, I should be able to find the timing mark. So that's about there. That's actually on the exhaust outlet. There's a slight movement on that, but don't forget we did change the exhaust. Funnily enough, the first one I did actually I got wrong. I actually got wrong on the wrong cycle. So yeah, so that's all done. Next one is the valve gaps. I'll come back to that another video, and I suppose I better find a bike to fit it to, hadn't I? I do have a couple of spare bikes, so we'll decide which one we're going to fit it to, and then make sure it runs. But once I get the valve gaps done, there's a couple of other checks I need to do first. Right, okay, be back soon.